Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this juicy hamburger. My ingredients are as follow: minced beef, some ground pimento, some scotch bonnet pepper, black pepper, thyme leaves, garlic, onion, salt, and some scallion. So I'm going to add all my aromatics to my minced beef. Now, cut your meat into 4 equal parts. Roll each into a ball and then press to form your burger patties. After forming each patty, wrap them individually with plastic wrap. Now that I've formed my burger patties, it's time for the next step. Here I have some bacon, 2 eggs, some ketchup, sweet chili sauce, and mayo for my burger sauce, my burger bread, red onion, tomato, lettuce, and cheese. So here you can see I cooked my bacon, I fried my eggs. Now I'm going to pan sear my burgers for 4 minutes on each side. After my burgers are finished cooking through, I then added the cheese and then covered the pot to allow the steam inside to melt the cheese on top of the burger. Next, it was time to make my burger sauce. So it's my mayo, my ketchup, and my sweet chili sauce combined together. Next, it's time to start assembling my burger. I added some sauce to all sides of the bun. Then I added some lettuce. Then I added my bacon. Then I added my tomato. Then I added my red onion. Next, add your burger patties with the cheese. Then add your eggs on top. Then serve with fries and enjoy. You should have a delicious homemade burger. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be reminded whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on all social media platforms. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see me cook next. I hope you enjoyed.